Alright, American partners, let's break down football, or as you call it, soccer, in terms that actually make sense. First off, the pitch, that's the field, is about 100 to 110 meters long and 64 to 75 meters wide, much bigger than a football field. The game is simple. Two teams of 11 players each try to score more goals than the opponent in 90 minutes, split into two 45-minute halves. The clock doesn't stop for stoppages, so the referee adds extra time called stoppage time at the end of each half. If a knockout match is tied after 90 minutes, we play 30 minutes of extra time, and if it's still tied, we go to a penalty shootout. The goalkeeper is the only player who can use their hands, and only inside the penalty box. The rest of the team uses their feet, heads, and bodies to control the ball. The offside rule is football's version of being behind the defense. You can't be beyond the last defender when the ball is played to you. Fouls get yellow cards as warnings, and red cards mean you're sent off. There are free kicks, direct ones where you can score, and indirect ones where you must pass first. The ball goes out of play, and you get throw-ins, corners, or goal kicks depending on where it crosses the line. Football has a league system with promotion and relegation. Teams move up or down based on performance. The Premier League is England's top tier, the Champions League is the best club competition, and the World Cup is the biggest international tournament. It's a simple game at its heart: score more than the other team. If this breakdown helped you understand football better, hit that like button and subscribe to Stickman Explains so you don't miss the next video. See you on the pitch.